Greetings and welcome to the Agile Store Locator plugin. In this video, I'll show you how you can add and change the store timings for a particular store on your Store Locator widget. So let's get started. So here we have a Store Locator widget and it's displaying the store timings for this store over here. And the store timings will tell your customers exactly when your store will open and close on a particular day. And in this way, they can plan their trip accordingly. So let's see how we can add the store timings to a particular store. For that, let's head over to WordPress and head over to Agile Store Locator. And let's go over to the Manage Store section. Now let's locate a store to add the store timings for. So the store timings can be added using two methods. The first one is that you can select a store or multiple stores, and then you can click on the bulk edit option here. Then enable the update open hours option here. Then select the days which you want to edit or add. And once the days are selected, you can simply add the store timing using this button over here. You can even add multiple slots by clicking on this button again. So let's add a few store timings. And once the store timings have been set, you can simply go on and click on Apply Changes. And the changes will be applied to the store you selected. The other method is to simply click on the store editing page for the store you want to edit. Click on the Edit button over here. And then go to the store timing section here. So as you can see here, the changes we made on the bulk editing section are also reflected over here. So you can go ahead and also add some labels such as 50% off. And let's add a few more labels before we continue. Let's call this as Brand Sale Day. And once the labels have been added, you can click on Update Store. And the changes will be applied to the store you were editing. Now let's head back to the Store Locator widget and view the results. So click on Refresh. And now you can see that the store timing is being displayed for the store, and currently is being displayed for the current day only. You can also change the format in which the store timings are being displayed. For that, let's head over to WordPress once again and go to the ASL settings. And let's head over to the UI settings tab here. So the store timings can be displayed in three formats. The today format, which we just saw right now, which displays the current day's store timings. The other two are the 7 days option. Let's view these real quickly. Scroll down here and click on Save Settings. Head back to the Store Locator widget and refresh the page. And now you can see that the store timing is being displayed for all 7 days of the week. And now let's take a look at the third option for the store hours format, which is the 7 days but grouped. So select this, scroll down here, click on Save Settings, head back to the Store Locator page and refresh the page. So now the store timings are displayed for the 7 days of the week, but now the common timings are grouped together to give you a more neat display. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.